Start by blanching the gnocchi in salted boiling water. My preference is about 1 to 1.2% of salt to water, but anywhere from 0.5 to 2% of salt will work, depending on your salt tolerance. Remove the gnocchi when they start to float, as that's an indication that they are cooked. Meanwhile, thinly slice 2 cloves of garlic and saute with butter in a wide, heavy bottom pan. Cut a bunch of asparagus into 5 cm or 2-inch spears and rough chop a sprig of thyme. Add both to the pan and turn the heat to high. Fill the pan to about halfway up the asparagus with boiling vegetable stock, chicken stock or water. Here I'm using a vegetable stock I made earlier with onions, garlic, celery and the woody base of the asparagus. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt, 60 grams of cold unsalted butter and constantly swirl the asparagus with a spatula as the butter melts. Just before the point where it reduces into a glaze, add the cooked gnocchi and toss. There should just be enough liquid to glaze the asparagus and the gnocchi. If the glaze is too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to thin it down and toss again. Plate it and finish with some shaved Parmigianno Reggiano over the top, followed by some fresh lemon zest. The cheese adds a hint of sharp and complex nutty flavour to the dish. You can check out this video over here if you want to learn how to make your own homemade potato gnocchi, or this video over here for another episode from the Spring Asparagus series. Till next time folks, cheers!